Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project's an art journal page and I'm working in my Prima mixed media book. To start with, I'm creating my background, and for this I've chosen green and blue shades of Dylusions spray. Once these have dried, I'm selecting some stamps by Cherry Pie. These are all based on a klimped style design, and I'm starting here with a swirl pattern for the background. I'm stamping this in Archival ink in manganese blue. These two are designs by Cherry Pie that have the same klimped design. I'm stamping these onto some lightweight cardstock using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black, and then once they've dried I cut them out. For the text on my page, I wanted to create a brighter coloured background, so I've chosen two shades of yellow sprays from Dylusions, and after this has dried I stamped my text out using a alphabet set from PaperArtsy. This is another stamp from Cherry Pie, and this one I'm using around the borders. I'm stamping it in VersaFine ink in Onyx Black, and after this I create a black and white checked border around the edges. This is a Stabilo All Pencil in black. I'm using this to go around my text, so I'm using it in its dry form to begin with, and then I activate the pencil using a Prima water brush, and it gives a really jet black appearance which makes the text pop off the page. This is a small swirl stamp, again it's by Cherry Pie. I'm stamping this onto the leftover background paper that I used for my text, and then I cut these pieces out so that the yellow colours appear in other areas of the page, and it just makes everything look a little more cohesive. As a final embellishment on the page, I'm taking a white Posca paint pen and added some dots around the swirls and also in some other areas of the page. That is everything for today. As always, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I appreciate it when you hit that like button. If you'd like a full product list, you'll find that in the video description, and you'll also find there links to my social media, and that would include my Facebook Mixed Media Challenge group.